Breaking news. Los Angeles is under siege by relentless wildfires. As of January 14, 2025, 3 major fires have scorched over 40,000 acres, leading to 24 deaths and 150,000 evacuations. Fueled by strong winds, these fires show explosive growth potential, making containment efforts challenging. The Palisades fire is only 13% contained, while the Eaton fire stands at 33%. Community and corporate support are pouring in, with Hollywood studios pledging up to $90 million, and sports teams donating $8 million. President Biden has pledged federal support for 180 days, urging Congress to increase funding. Despite these efforts, the fire's impact is severe, with power outages affecting nearly 50,000 customers and air quality warnings in place. Stay safe, stay informed, and support those affected. This is a developing story. We'll keep you updated.